Automated drop tests and impact analyses are easy to set up in Autodesk Nastran InCAD. In this video, we'll investigate how to analyze the dropping of a shelf onto the floor. To simplify the analysis, we will leverage different element types. The floor will be a shell element, and the shelf a standard solid element type. Defining a new analysis, we will choose Impact Analysis and define the materials. We will choose aluminum 6061 to represent both the floor and shelf to simplify the analysis further. Next, we have to define the impact setup. We can select the part which will be the projectile, in this case the shelf, input the path the projectile will follow based off of a sketch line, and then input the velocity and acceleration. In the advanced settings, you can choose to define contact tolerance, large scale or small scale contact, and the time setup for the analysis. In this case, like most, the default settings will work fine. With everything defined, we can run the model and quickly get into the results. Here you can see the von Mises stress of the floor as the shelf makes contact. Changing the results to displacement, we can animate the dropping of the shelf to give a visual representation of the actual displacement.